Because don't let me get my hair done. Don't let me do it. Because I'm going to cut up. Good morning. I'm about to go get my hair done because unfortunately it's that time again. My knotless braids only lasted like a month and a half maybe, so gotta get my hair redone. I'm gonna get some Fulani braids with a sew-in in the back, so it's gonna be like Fulani braids style right here, and then wet and wavy curly hair sewed in the back. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. I've been wanting this hairstyle for a minute now, so I'm excited to see how it looks on me. But yeah, I'm about to go, and then I guess I'll be right back.
I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9, then I'll past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah.
5 hours later.
So I just got my hair done and I really like it. I was nervous at first because some hairstyles make my forehead look big, but I like it. I think she did a great job. It looks really cute. I got the wet and wavy curly hair in the back. It's human hair. And then the front with the cornrows to like one side of my head. So it was like, I didn't do them straight back. I got them like curved to one side, and I really like it. I'm going to Miami in like 2 weeks, so I feel like this is really giving Miami vibes, definitely. But I'm very much satisfied with them, very much obsessed, because you know, like once you get your hair done, you got to start acting different because you're a new girl. Like once you get your hair done, you're a new girl. And I don't know nobody because I got my hair done. Like, good morning. I'm about to go get my nails done because I'm tired of walking around with nubs. And I literally had press-on nails for school the other day. So that's how you know it's time, because I was desperate. But I'm going to a different girl than I normally do this time. But I'm not worried or anything because she does good work. And I know they're going to be cute. So I trust her. But yeah, it's just time to get the claws back because I'm tired of walking around like a bum. Okay, I literally do not like my hands. I have like man hands and I just can't. I just can't. So it's time to get them redone.
You won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody,
Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest. Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
Wings in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. Then we back outside. We said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. And motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, we go round in circles, round.
Please get into this. Please get into this. Please. These are beautiful. This is literally art. Like, this is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm obsessed. Like, they're a little longer than I normally get, but, you know, sometimes change is good. When y'all start talking to me, I'm finna be talking with my hands. Giving, yes. But I'm in Chick-fil-A's line right now, and yeah, I'm about to get my food because I'm literally starving. I haven't eaten since I woke up this morning, so love that for me. Just got to Tuscaloosa. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Her birthday is at 12 o'clock in the morning, August 28th. It's the 27th, but she has all these celebrations that Tierra put up. Come over here. Say hello to the people for all your work. She set this up with Zai not here right now. And then some little bundt cakes right here. I don't want to pick them up, but alright, I'll pick them up. So yeah, no, I'm gonna tear that up. But yeah. We are going to 1225 tonight, a little club. So I'm gonna have to try to vlog it in there a little bit. But
You could do like a compilation.
yeah, I'm lucky to the birthday, yeah, the cake, pinata. Who gonna bust that?
Bottle of champagne.
These are so cute. They look so good.
So there's like 10 of us.
Oh, the decorations. You did a great job. I know it was quick, but this is very cute to walk into.
Greatly appreciated. I've never had anybody do this for me.
No, I'm sorry, it wasn't a lot.
No,
Because we
I
didn't know what to
really do
do.
appreciate
We had
it.
this balloon. We were gonna set up a balloon setup and everything, but we thought it came with balloons. And it didn't. We bought it last night, so we didn't want to go back to the store. This was like a little flower.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This
So
one like hang up, but
It's so cute.
it ain't come with balloons. And everything else but the balloons.
wait. So oh, it didn't come with. Oh, I missed the whole
Anyway,
point.
Target's about to close, so
That's okay.
we're gonna go get our money back.
Supposedly taking these before we go in. This one's called the Alabama Slamma. This one's on the beach, and these are 15%. So yeah, that's the vibe. They look like they taste good. I don't like to taste alcohol, so hopefully it tastes like juice. Like some of y'all be claiming all alcohol tastes like. But yeah, we're gonna have to see what this gonna do to us. Laughing at.
No, we don't.
She said like somebody and all alcohol. It's like this straight battery ass.
They do.
Be like, you don't even taste like water.
They be lying. Please stop the cap, y'all. Like, one day y'all gonna have to stop lying about that, and y'all know y'all taste that alcohol. Please. This is Louis making his debut.
He's 8 years old.
So yeah, that's what's going on right now, and we'll update y'all later. Okay, we're late like always, but here's our outfits.
As long as the most important person is with you while you're late, you're okay.
Wait, you gotta show them the fit. She got this. Yeah, it's giving 21. Light got bad. Hold on. And a little purple action giving Selena. She really. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Giving body yaddy yaddy.
That shot was kind of good.
Took it to the head.
Yay!
This light in this hallway is atrocious. Hopefully when I get to the front.
Alabama Slamma.
Okay.
Okay, making her grand entrance. Okay. I'm with Kyra. Her name's Kira, but we call her Kyra.
Multiple names.
We are going to a bar right now. May bar hop. We don't know yet.
We probably are.
Possibly.
Probably get annoyed with the first place and be like, let's go.
So hopefully the drinks are cute and good, but cute.
And the interior is really, really cute. Very cute.
We need a good background. But yeah. Don't know what I'm getting. Maybe the porn star martini, but I don't know. What are you getting?
I heard that chocolate like sky. Love a good rum.
The porn star martini and like a side of rosé, I think is what he said. And then she got the tropic like this high. Super cute decorations. Okay, what are you feeling?
Okay, so I'm rating mine like a 4. Only reason for getting a 4 is because it was cute.
The decorations really sold it.
Sold it. Really strong liquor.
Mine is strong too. He told me to pour this rosé shot into it, like just to, I guess. Oops, I'm spilling it. It's really sweet. I guess that kind of balances out the sweetness of it, but it's still a little strong. I don't know. Hers tastes like straight banana, and I do not like banana, so.
Not like a banana lapis patty, like banana.
Like straight banana. Okay, the bathroom. The bathroom is giving. Okay, so cute.
It is really cute. I liked it. That's why I was like, we're gonna take pictures and look at the whole bottom mirror. There ain't no song about some basketball. There ain't no song about some basketball. This is cute. It's giving luxury.
I like that. Okay.
So I went there. That was good. Liked it. Then we tried going to another place. It was giving Black and Miles and Route 21. Then we tried going to a little film festival. Film festival wasn't talking about none. Talking about some oomph. Not doing that.
Okay, what are you feeling?
Okay, so I'm rating mine like a 4. Only reason for getting a 4 is because it was cute.
The decorations really sold it.
Sold it. Really strong liquor.
Mine is strong too. He told me to pour this rosé shot into it, like just to, I guess. Oops, I'm spilling it. It's really sweet. I guess that kind of balances out the sweetness of it, but it's still a little strong. I don't know. Hers tastes like straight banana, and I do not like banana, so.
Not like a banana lapis patty, like banana.
Like straight banana.